Hi, I'm Mohammed from Ziora PMS. Ziora PMS is a property management software designed to simplify rent collection, maintenance tracking, and tenant communication for landlords and property managers. Many of the landlords and property managers today rely on Excel and manual books for their record keeping. This makes rent collection extremely difficult and maintenance tracking, and also makes tenant issues hard to manage. Landlords also have to rely on the caretakers and their agents to get the real info on what goes on in their properties. With Ziora PMS, you don't have to do that anymore. You have on your fingertips real-time info and updates from your properties. And there's a proper way of you getting feedback from your tenants. Today I'll take you through the Ziora PMS platform and show you how it works. So this is the Ziora PMS.com homepage. When you go to Ziora PMS.com, this is where you'll come to. On this page, you'll be able to see our services and what we do. For a landlord who uses our system, or property management, managers who use our system, this is what they'll be able to get. They'll be able to get real-time updates and automated expense tracking and payments, integrated communications and vacancy management, and so much more. If you are a landlord who uses our system, or you are a tenant who lives in an apartment that uses our system, if you go to login, click on the login button of this page, you'll be redirected to where you can log in. If you are a tenant who lives in a property that uses our system, you will definitely have an account with the property managers. For a landlord, let's go to the landlord first. For a landlord, this is a dummy account, so don't try to log into this account if you're watching this video. When you log in as a landlord, this is your dashboard. At first glance, what you will see is your payment for this month, your expenses, vacancies, outstanding balance, and on this page you'll be able to see your apartments. You can view your apartments if you have more than one. You'll be able to see the name of the apartment, where it's located, and the caretaker and all that. On your dashboard, what you have is you have some analytics. This tracks payments and expenses and your net income. On the pie chart here on the right side, that's your payment and your net income for the year. You also have if you have feedback from your tenants, what you call in complaints. If there are complaints, you'll be able to view your complaints. Also your payments and expenses. You can see payment history. You can filter your payments from what date to what date, and you can do the same also with expenses. If you filter this, you'll be able to get the payments done within that time frame. You can see for the time I selected, there are no payments because this is a dummy account, it's not a real account. You can check your financial history, and on your financial summary, you'll be able to see your total payments, total expenses. If they are managed houses, if they are houses that if you are a landlord, but you also sold some units in your apartment and you're managing for the owners, you'll be able to track also payments sent to the owners of those units, your net income. You can also have filter this and download your reports. You can see all your tenants and all your caretakers and all that. If you go to the caretaker dashboard, if you go to the caretaker dashboard, you go to view apartments, and for the particular apartment, you can check the apartment dashboard. There you have the number of floors within the apartment, and if there are more than one floor, that is, and you can see the details of the tenants within those houses. You can see the rent status and any other due payment. You can send customized messages to your tenants, and that message will go to every tenant within that house. If we go to the Ziora PMS tenant portal, what you will be able to see, I'm trying to log into an account of a tenant account. No, using the same browser here. Let me use a different browser. Window. And you can log in. I want to show you what you can see as a tenant and how you can submit your complaints. Oh, I'm coming back to the same, but let me just log out on this and go to that one. This is just a dummy account. You can figure out that by the the nature of the number I'm using here. It doesn't look a real number, but as a tenant, this is what you'll be able to see. On your home page, you can see the details of the last payment you made. You'll be able to see if you have debt, debt, or you have overpayment. You can make payments, and you can look at your payment history. You can submit any complaints you have here. If you say submit complaints, you can enter the text here and just send submit complaint. You can request to vacate the house. You click on vacate. You can also give feedback when you live in, why you live in. Is the rent too expensive? Are there hygiene issues and all that stuff? Yeah, that's what we do. And our mobile app is coming very soon, and we'll have a lot more features, and we'll make it even a lot more user friendly. Yeah, so that's what we do. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.